Presenting a pre-owned 2019 BMW. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with all-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This BMW has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free auto check vehicle history report. Key features include cold weather package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and automatic climate control.